what is the biggest bottleneck you face as a doctor or a psychiatrist?
It's really the stigma.
Is the stigma.
Yung bang papasok ka sa clinic ng isang psychiatrist. No? It's still there. Though, honestly, mas umokay siya ngayon as compared before. And I have noticed that the young are the ones who would tell their parents, come on, I need help. No? So, that's a good thing. Ang mga parents, usually, they would say, hindi, wala akong sakit. Wala kang sakit, anak. Kaya mo naman siya. And because of the fact that the parents would see it as a failure on their part of their parenting. So, para sa akin, importante na they have to listen to their children. When the children would say, hey, I need help, please do so, help them.
So, how does our family-centered culture sometimes prevent people from seeking mental health?
Yeah. You go back again to, is it accepted na meron kang problems with behavior? Kasi 'di ba pag mga mental retarded, mga autistic usually meron tayong stigma na sandali lang tanggalin natin siya sa picture kasi nakakasira dun sa success ng family. So para sa akin it's still involving the people who are undergoing a lot of emotional stress. Kailangan talaga maging open tayo sa treatment. Kasi para siyang nagpapagamot ng sa isang internist na, okay, I have diabetes, I have to treat it. No? Dito naman parang, okay, I have problems with my behavior. You just have to continue the treatment. So, iyon ang problema. Parang we supported more yung may cholesterol, may hypertension, may asthma, kaysa sa mga pasyente na may depression. Kasi, alam mo, kung hindi maayos ang utak mo, hindi rin maayos ang health mo.
Yeah.
Maapektuhan din and vice versa. Yes. Yeah. Kaya, we always would suggest to patients na live a healthy lifestyle. Na kapag may medications ka, syempre ibang gamot nakakataba. So, we really have to make sure that you eat healthy, you sleep well, and then you exercise.
How does the OFW family structure affect naman the mental and emotional health of both parents working abroad and their children that naiwan dito?
There should be good parental figure, kahit figure lang, like lolo, lola, auntie, uncle, to help with the parenting. However, if there is no good parenting figure. So, halimbawa, walang nanay, walang tatay, walang imahen ng isang family member. We have seen na pag age 10, if there's an abandonment of either of the parental figures, mas mataas ang incidence ng anxiety and depression. Now, it is very important that kapag OFW, hindi naman natin masisi sila ang baba ng peso, di ba? So, kailangan din talaga may constant communication between the family member who is away sa mga anak nila. And always make sure na may nagbabantay talaga sa kanila na nakakapag-provide ng good parental image. Kasi kung wala yun, yung araw-araw nila struggle yan eh. I've seen children going astray or leading astray kasi sabihin nila, kasi feeling ko hindi ako love ng family ko. Or they would say na sana nasa pamilya kami, dapat dito na kami sa Pilipinas kasi nga ang hirap. And they would go into drugs, bad influence with peer group. Paano natin makontrol yun? Walang parent eh. Yun ang isang struggle.